Guys, I've got a lot of clicking, clacking, clunking noise in the front suspension of my Honda Pilot. It's a first generation Honda Pilot, 2006 model. It's got 177,000 miles on it, and these front sway bar end links, these are the original OEM ones, and this is the top, which the top was okay. I mean, the boot's torn up, but the top wasn't moving around too much. But this is the bottom one. Look at that. So that was making a bunch of noise every time I hit a bump or speed bump or anything. Crazy, right? Well, I guess it's time to replace them. So I logged on to Amazon, and I bought these little bad boys. These are ACDelco replacements. Here's the part number. I know they're made in China, but this vehicle's got a lot of miles. I'm not buying high-end parts for it. This is the ACDelco Advantage line. I'll show you what one of them looks like in here. Sorry for moving the camera around and everything. I probably should have had that open before, but there you go, true unboxing. So this is what the ACDelco one looks like. See, it's got a little flat spot there, so it doesn't look like, I'm not sure what that is. That hex doesn't look right in there. The factory ones had a hex, but it looks like these have a flat spot on the shank, on the shaft for the bolt. Have a flat spot there where you can get a wrench on there to be able to tighten them down. They don't look too bad. I mean, I'm good with them if they last, heck, if they even last me 20,000 miles, I'm good with them. They were only 14 bucks on Amazon for each one. They had good reviews, so I'm not too worried about them falling apart right away like some of the other stuff that's out there. So anyway, cool. These are really easy to install. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on and hopefully get this Honda Pilot back to a quiet ride. Thanks for looking.